Welcome to another AgriData Inc. tutorial video. In this video, we will be demonstrating Surety Pro and the Parcel add-on layer. While this add-on is available for either Surety or Surety Pro, adding it to Surety Pro unlocks an exclusive parcel search as well as the ability to save parcel boundaries to client records within the software. Let's get started by selecting a client. So once we're in this client, one of the first things we can do is we can search the parcel data. I'm going to click on this parcel button in the right-hand panel, and we're able to narrow it down to a state and a county. This link here will allow us to see when the last time this county's parcel data has been updated. Otherwise, we can proceed by searching either parcel ID or first and last name. In this case, I'm going to search for a last name. This will give us a list of all of the properties within this county that has this last name. A few different things we can do from here is, we can zoom to the results of all of the 25 parcels that appeared. And we can see on the map that it shows highlighted in cyan the parcel boundaries. If we wanted to look at a couple specific ones, we can select those specific boundaries and then again click zoom to results. We can see that it zoomed right into the two results that I'd selected. If we click on any one of these rows, we can get a little pop-up that will allow us to view the information associated with this parcel, such as the acres deeded, the mailing addresses, ownership name, so on and so forth. Also from here, we're able to save these parcels to this client record. So with these two selected, we can click on Save Selected. It's going to save two individual records to what we call the parcel info layer, and we'll touch on that here. So let's close out of our parcel search, and if we click on our layers button, we are displayed our layers that we have available. Obviously, the parcel layer is what you get when adding the parcel data add-on to your subscription, as well as the labels. But since we just saved those two parcels from our pop-up, they have been placed in this parcel info layer that we can now access. We can turn off and on from the appropriate layer here. We can also adjust the look of the parcel info layer. So if we want to remove our fill color and just have it outlined, maybe bump up the outline width a little bit, we can update this. We can get rid of the pins. We can switch to the labels tab and add labels to the label list here. If we scroll down, we can see the list and we can reorganize the order of the labels, update that. Once done, we can see that it is individually labeled these boundaries at a much further extent than what is allowed with just the parcel labels layer. And now these records are saved specifically to this client. So I'm going to save this, and every time I pull this client up, now that these records are going to be associated with it. And we can do pretty much everything that we can do with any of the other layers. For example, if I turn my parcel layer off, we still have that parcel info layer. I can still select it and run a number of reports here. These records are also available within our form manager. So if I click on form manager while in this client, it's going to show me all the records available within this particular client. I can sort these records by using the form dropdown and going to parcel info, since that's where we save them. We can click choose columns in order to add or remove columns of information to our form manager. We can total things like our acres if we wanted. We can reopen any of these records by simply clicking on them. We can also use the paradigm options to send these records and create maps from the Form Manager. Please see our Form Manager tutorial video for more information on those features. This concludes the Parcel Data add-on tutorial video for Surety. Please make sure to watch our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel, AgriData Inc. Also, visit our support page from the Help drop-down within your Surety Pro software. Thank you.